What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn post notifications. It is 8:55. I have an appointment at 9.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Here is breakfast. About to scarf it real quick. We got 3 eggs, spinach. Eat that. I got 2 haircuts to do. Let you guys see those, and then get to the gym. It is a beautiful day out today. I think I have like 8 or 9 haircuts today. I think it's 9 haircuts today, so that's gonna be good. I do have a little bit of a break time. My haircuts are 45-minute blocks, so I'm able to fit a good bit of people in, but I'm also able to take a nice little break during the day. So during my break today, I'm gonna go with my wife to the gym, and we are going to hit back today. Today's gonna be back day, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, back day is probably like one of my favorite days to do. Yeah, but we're gonna get back to the gym today. Just had some eggs and spinach, so I need to calculate it, but I think the eggs was like 305 calories, I believe, and then I think the spinach is like maybe 5. I don't know. I'll put it into MyFitnessPal and go from there. But we're here at the shop. My client just got here and he's waiting at the door, so let's get to it.
Marshmallows. So cool. It's so cool. Oh, if you have that pizza, just go and get yourself out of the microwave. Whoa, I have so great.
Hola.
I think 3 times before I got it.
I came home because we're fixing to go to the gym. And what are you eating?
Rice.
Rice. What are you watching?
Not yet.
I don't know what that is. You want to go to the gym? All right. Eat your food, okay? Just got done in the gym. It was super quick because we put my daughter in the nursery and we realized that we only had an hour, so we knocked it out as quick as we can. We did 10 minutes of cardio on an incline walk. I'm gonna introduce you to the best Monster flavor that is out there right now, and that is the Ultra Vice Guava. This is the best one on the market. Now, I'm usually a go-to white Monster person, but this one takes the cake. But time to go get some supplies for some of the guys at the shop, then get my wife some lunch, and then head back to the house, and I'm gonna eat some leftovers. But let's go eat some food. Some supplies, and we got some surprise. This Panda, teriyaki chicken, super greens, and then I'm gonna have some chicken as well. Here's lunch. We got spinach, chicken, and then my daughter is eating rice and apples. Such a weird combination. What are you eating?
Blah.
Rice and what? What else do you have on the plate?
Apple.
Apples. Yeah. got my dog Hanny in here with the faded merch. Let's see your chest. No Diddy. Hey. Just got done at the shop, y'all. Headed home. Gonna have dinner, and I think we're gonna go take the kids to the park. I'm not too sure yet because it's a little bit windy, but I think we're still gonna go. We'll see. But let's go grab on some dinner. I'm already late. My wife has dinner already ready, prepared on the table. So let's get home.
There's one plate.
We're here breaking bread together. The kids got. What are you eating?
What? Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. And then my wife and I are gonna have 10 ounces of chicken tenderloin and edamame. Say thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Last week I had a lot of beef, which is more high in calories. So this week trying to go more chicken. So this is 10 ounces, which is a good portion size, and it's only 275 calories. So that's a square deal right there.
What the heck is this? It's Michael. I do not look like Michael.
Look at this crazy boy. Love it.
Sit down.
What's good, y'all? We're back from the pond. Took a mile walk and let the kids play at the playground as well. They had a great time. We had a great time. It was just a great time being out. I am enjoying the nice little strolls and stuff like that. Just something to get everybody out of the house. But overall, we had a great dinner, great day. Can't complain. So we're gonna be back at it tomorrow. Overall today I had 1,209 calories, I believe, for breakfast. Just to recap, we had the eggs and spinach. Also had for lunch the boneless, skinless chicken thighs with the spinach, and then for dinner had the chicken breast tenderloin with edamame. So that was my day in a nutshell. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like I said, we're back on it, trying to stay strong at it. Trying to stick more to poultry this week. I was at the park and somebody was grilling something, and the charcoal just made me think of a burger or a steak, and I had to kind of brush out of my mind, because that scent alone will make you want to go buy a burger or go have that type of food, but we're at it, and I feel good. I feel good right now. I'm not hunger driven or starving or anything like that. I feel satiated, and overall just a great day at the gym. And it's always nice to have my wife there with me as well. We get to work out together, get to spend more time together, and I got some good footage at the gym that she's able to capture as well too, so she's always good about taking video. So I appreciate everybody for tuning into this vlog. Hope you guys have been enjoying the series. This is day 9 in the books, so we're 9 days straight. So I haven't done it vlogging every day in a while. The last time I did vlogging every day was during Vlogmas, and that was like 2-3 years ago, the last time I did Vlogmas. So this is kind of just getting me set to do that, I guess, but had a great day, like I said. Hope you guys are enjoying these. If you guys are barbers and you're still tuning to this point, as you can see, we have T-Pop stuff all right here. We got T-Pop stuff all over here. So if you guys are looking to save some money at tpopusa.com or thepissedoffbarber.com, use code JBlends to save yourself 20% off of your purchase. The T-Pop USA site does ship from within the continental United States, so we'll get to you a lot quicker. Also, if you don't want to use the websites or the promo code, you can go to Amazon.com and save yourself some money there as well. If you guys are overseas, the pissedoffbarber.com is in the UK, and they ship majority overseas. And I mean, they do ship to the States as well, but it's going to take a little bit longer, of course. But yeah, use code JBlends, save yourself 20% off. And that'll do it for this video. So until next time, God bless.